Hey guys, it's CFW Plays, and I'm playing a new game today. It's a really weird game. It's called Shotgun FunFun, and I'm playing this game because I got a little bored of whatchamacallit, Call of Duty 4, and so I was like, hey, why not play this random game on my computer? But it's actually really fun-ish, kinda. I don't know. No. Okay. Oh wait, can I fall all the way down? No. As the name implies, it's really fun, actually. And I'm not going to switch I'm playing it for fun. No. Oh. That was horrible. Alright, let's try this again. Enter your name. FW. Yep. Enter. Okay. Oh. Who's Ethan? Oh, that's my friend. He was playing on my computer. Play again. Okay. Yeah, my friend's really weird. Okay. Let's go find some zombies. Hello? Is any friends here? Ooh. I enjoy this game. It's fun. Chocolate. Oh. I feel like a zombie killer. And what's that show? Walking Dead. Wow, it's that show. I love that show. Oh, what? 16? No. No, go away. No. Okay. Eat it. Alright. No. Obviously, the graphics are the best I've ever used, really. LOL. Alright, I'm just gonna chill here, because I only have 2 hearts. Oh. Demons. Play again. Alright, let's try and get 200. 200! Yay! And I'm making this video because I got bored of whatchamacallit, that game I like. What was that game called? I forgot. Oh my god, what was that game called? Oh. That was, oh, Call of Duty 4, the one I have a bunch of playthroughs on. Of course I forget that, because I'm just that skilled. Whee! Alright. How does it happen? Zombies. Zombies are. Ooh. It's a good shotgun noise, though. I'll give it that. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. I'm dead. Yep, I'm a goner. That was worse. Okay. No. Ooh, F1.